In Peru, chicken isn't just a staple, it's a way of life. Let's explore the country's love affair with this popular protein. Peruvians consume an astonishing amount of chicken, over 100 pounds per person annually. That's a whole lot of clucking good food. From anticuchos to pollo a la brasa, Peruvian cuisine offers a diverse range of mouth-watering chicken dishes. In Peru, chicken is often at the center of social gatherings and family meals. It's a symbol of community and connection. The chicken industry plays a significant role in Peru's economy, providing jobs and opportunities for farmers and producers. Peru's passion for chicken is undeniable. Whether you're a foodie or just a chicken lover, this South American country is sure to inspire. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more amazing poultry facts.